What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the shop. It's been a while since we've been here, but we've got a new lift kit and install for you today. This is going to be a BDS coilover kit, 3 to 4 inch for the 21 and up Broncos. Now we're throwing it on this 22 Outer Banks Sasquatch that you see behind me, but this kit actually does fit 2 doors and 4 doors, base model all the way up to the highest trims. The only difference between all of those is how much height you actually achieve. On something like this with the Sasquatch package, we're only going to get 3 inches out of here. If you had, a step down to the Badlands, you're going to get 3.5. If you have a base model, you're going to net 4 inches of overall lift over the stock. Obviously, these things are just a little bit taller, so you don't gain quite as much with the coilover kit. Now, BDS actually does offer just a regular spacer kit for these trucks as well, but this is going to be the Fox coilovers. We'll go through the kit, kind of break down what is what. There's not a lot of parts here, but a lot of these are additional to the base kit. Your base kit is going to include your front Fox coilovers with the DSC adjusters on them. So these are soft adjustable dampening. So this kit is really designed to take the Bronco off-road. It's also going to come with rear coilovers, because if you haven't seen one of these new Broncos, it is a straight live axle in the rear, but it is 4-linked with coilovers. It's only ones that do that, a little bit different kind of setup. It's also going to include some BDS upper control arms with their spherical joint upper ball joints. That's all your base kit. That's going to come standard no matter what. Now the upgrade options, if you so choose, BDS also offers rear adjustable upper control arms and rear lower adjustable control arms. Now these are going to be more for the guys that are going to off-road it a lot. We got beefier adjustable joints in the rear and a adjustable rear track bar. We're not fighting stock components. We're just getting rid of everything, going with spherical joints everywhere, really just beef up this little Bronco. In addition to all of these parts, BDS has a sister company, JKS, which you might know if you've got a Jeep. They also offer these tie rod sleeves for the Broncos, which we are also going to throw on here because this Bronco has already eaten 1 inner tie rod. That's kind of the breakdown of the kit. Like I said, not a lot going on here, but going to make this thing ride significantly better and be a lot better off-road. So we're going to throw this on. You'll see the install of that, and then we'll go through and kind of show you where everything sits, what it looks like once it's installed. All right, guys, so now that we got the full kit installed, let's run through these parts. You can kind of see where they are on the vehicle. Obviously, standing out front, you can see these are our new Fox 3.0 coilovers with the DSC adjusters on them right here on the reservoirs. We've got our BDS upper control arms. These are going to be spherical joint up here. Obviously, we're at full droop right now with the Bronco in the air, so it's got a tight angle here that's going to flatten out real nice once we get it on the ground. but obviously you can see how much more articulation that upper control arm has. And then down here we've got our JKS tie rod sleeves, so we don't bend any more tie rods. Super basic kit, but it gets the job done, makes these 37s fit underneath this Bronco Sasquatch here. So let's go to the back where there's a lot more parts. So back here, obviously you saw how fun it was to install on the other side, taking the fuel tank and everything out. But we've got our Fox coilover here with our reservoir, our DSC adjusters right here. We've got our high clearance adjustable rear control arms here, upper and lower. Now these are only one side adjustable, so they do have to be removed to be adjusted. But if for any reason we wanted to crank up this coilover, get a little bit more height out of it, we can adjust our pinion angle with these adjustable control arms. And again, we would have to drop the fuel tank to do so. Luckily, we won't have to adjust anything for this. It sees light trail use. And then rounding out in the back, we've got our adjustable rear track bar here as well. Again, it's gonna be one side adjustable, so we would have to take this off to adjust. So when you're putting these things in, make sure you're setting them to the correct lengths. We actually had ours adjusted during alignment to make sure everything was straight. That's that. That wraps up this 3 to 4 inch BDS coilover kit for the Broncos. And again, remember guys, this fits all Broncos, 2-door, 4-door, up to your biggest Sasquatch models. Just depends on the height you're actually gonna gain. If you're in the market for a lift kit for your Bronco, check out BDS. We have a lot of other options on the website, customoffsets.com, and we're gonna actually do a full build on this bad boy, so stay tuned for that video.